In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to recover your Gmail account without a phone number or recovery mail. Let's get in. First, open any browser and search for Gmail account recovery. Then navigate to the very first one website, support.google.com. Now here you're going to find different option. Scroll down and navigate to the option recover your Google account or Gmail. You will be directed to the login page. Now here, type in the email address that you want to recover. Then click on next. You'll be prompted to enter the password. So what you have to do is click on the option try another way. Now here's the trick. Gmail can still verify without a phone number or recovery mail. If you're logged in with the same email account in another device, you can easily get access to your Gmail. All you have to do is navigate to that device, then type in this code given over here. And you won't need any recovery mail or the phone number. You'll be logged in. Likewise, Gmail can still verify you without a phone or recovery mail. It uses two main things, your device and your location. If you're signing in from the same phone, tablet, or computer you used before, Gmail recognizes it. If you're logging in from your usual place like your home or office, Google sees it as familiar and trusts it. If Google confirms it's really you, you'll be able to reset your password right there. Choose a strong, unique password to protect your account moving forward. And that's it. You have just learned how to recover your Gmail without using phone number or recovery email. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.